For those who don't know me, I am Haneez Haroon. I just completed my studies at Epic and I just started my own web development firm in Kandy. And here I am. And these are my applications. I have 7 applications. Basically, the strategy behind was like not to make one application that serves everyone, to make different applications to have its own audience, and to give more information and to give insight. I would like to select tech news. Well, basically the idea now from the beginning, like first when I came up with this idea, the tech news, like everyone was like, why tech news? Because like you go to Google now and type technology, you find like millions of pages explaining tech news. I mean, everything that's happening. But the thing is, like, people don't have time to go and read these news every day, and everyone is curious about what's happening and to know all the latest things happening around you. And so we wanted to tap that interest and monetize that a little bit, and at the same time we wanted to scope it down because technology itself is a huge area, and we wanted to have a specific targeted audience, and we selected these categories. So like we won't be sending like news related to some experiment happening in NASA or something. So we wanted to have a targeted set of audience. And when we first developed the application, we wanted the first thing, well, like anonymously, like we went out and we sent messages to all our friends in our contact list saying, hey, there's an application from Etisalat giving news related to tech. Without saying it's mine, I was just sending messages. That's how I got the first few subscribers, and then made use of social media. And at the same time, I got a lot of support from Etisalat fan page and the Twitter accounts. And at the same time, I wrote articles to Sri Lankan blogs, which most of our people visit often. And at the same time now, I'm planning to take it to the next level now. So, because right now, technology news is like a one-way communication. I send news, they read it. So, now we are working on an update where there will be quizzes and there will be monthly winners where like there will be two-way communication, and like where you can get the previous day's news, something like that. So we are working on that update right now, and also we have spoken few like the TV shows, and they will feature our application in months to come. And more than everything, like you can do everything to do all the marketing, but what really matters is the quality of your content, because more than all the marketing we do, if a person who is already using the application can go and tell one of their friends, I got a news like this service is good, the conversion is really high. Because when I look at my logs, like when people subscribe to the application, right soon after, within like 5 to 10 minutes, as soon as I send update, I see a lot of new subscriptions. So it's supposed to mean like these people, as they receive it, they go and read it out, and from that, more people get try this application. And so now we are planning to take this to the next level and move on, and also we are planning to support multiple languages. Right now there's issue with that because I know the vocabulary and things like that when it comes to Sinhala, and hopefully we are planning to implement, and at the same time we are planning to implement Android and iOS applications just to get the updates, and at the same time to conduct island-wide sponsored workshops like in schools and on their like IT days and things like that. And at the same time, we see maybe in few years to come, we want to evolve it to a stage where it will be a media agency to cover all the technology news in Sri Lanka. And that's it for now. And thank you very much, and especially Zen Mobile and Etisalat for all their support, and at the same time AppZone, the support team and the developer community. And definitely you can always contact me on about.me/Haneez. Thank you.